bail to three accused: Aditya Avinash Sood, Ashish Satish Mittal and Amar Santosh Gaikwad, who were accused of helping tamper with blood samples in the aftermath of last year's Pune Porsche crash, which claimed the lives of two young software engineers in May 2024. These three individuals have been granted bail by the Supreme Court. Along with the bail came in strong observations from the top court saying parents losing control on kids. Let me go across to our legal editor Harish Nair getting us the details. So the court has granted bail to three accused who were their role was in tampering with the evidence. The court has also expressed concerns about the increase in road rage, road accidents involving drunken youth, blaming the parents, Harish.
Yes, that's right, Swati. A big development in Pune Porsche case in which two software engineers unfortunately lost their lives. The Supreme Court granted bail to three accused of tampering with, helping tamper with evidence by replacing the blood samples with that of the accused, but noting that they had already spent 1.5 years in jail. But very, very strong observation, Swati. Supreme Court expressing deep concern at the rising accidents involving drunken youth and has squarely blamed the parents. And for the benefit of our viewers, let me read out exactly what Justice B.V. Nagaratna said. She went on to say, problem now is parents do not have any control over children. We have so many things to say. Celebration cannot be through substance abuse, driving at full speed and killing people on the footpath or poor. We are seeing same pattern in many cases. This is not the first time such a thing has happened. Law has to catch up with such people. The main one responsible is the parents who give money to children to have gala time. Parents have no time to spend with children, and that is why what is the best thing to give? Their ATM card. Of course, there will be public outrage, and you cannot curb that. We have much to say. So, very, very significant statement coming in from Justice B.V. Nagaratna, Swati. She's saying that parents don't have time to spend with the children, so they are spending money. They are saying that they are just giving their ATM card to children and saying that go have a gala time, go have a great time. And what are these juveniles, youngsters doing? They get drunk and get onto the road and kill people. And several of the time, most of the victims are poor people. This is what Justice B.V. Nagaratna says. And
so while of course law is taking its course, the Supreme Court has placed responsibility on the shoulders of the parents, highlighting the pattern in which we've seen rich brats taking control of the wheels and then ramming into vehicles on roads, claiming innocent lives. And the responsibility has been placed with parents in these cases by the Supreme Court today. Harish?
Yes, that's right, Swati. Justice B.V. Nagaratna very clearly saying that such incidents are a matter of concern, and we'll only blame the parents because they don't have time to spend with the children. They think that they only need money, not care and love, so they just hand over their ATM card to the kids, and who indulge in such drunken driving and killing people on the roads. And Supreme Court has said that there will be zero tolerance in such cases, but though the Supreme Court has given three
Harish, in a lot of cases, the parents actually don't know what their kids are doing. We also have activist Yogita Bhayana joining us on the broadcast. Stay on with us, Harish. Let me quickly go across to her. How do you respond to this? The observations that came in from the court, highlighting a pattern in these cases, saying that the responsibility lies with the parents.
And how about the authorities? How about the government? How about the courts? You are setting them free who were hampering with the evidence. And what is the accountability of the government? We choose to, elect them, and also we pay our taxes. Well, how about their accountability? Everything, if you leave it to the parents, then why do we need courts? Why do we need police? Why do we need governments? And why do we pay taxes? It is very easy to say everything parents should teach. Even when we talk about rape cases, I know it's not diverting, but everything is put on society. It is a societal problem. It is not, So end of the day, it is law and order. We need to also keep it in mind. And if they are failing in their duty, it is easy. It's just a easy thing to kind of put it on that. note and
Are you saying parents have been made the scapegoats here, even if it is about an observation? Yogita?
You can get away with your duty by just saying that parents should be more careful. It is not about that. It is about definitely who's looking into the matter and how these, people are getting away with the crimes like these. This is also state's responsibility.
Absolutely. Thank you for speaking with us. Let me quickly go back to Harish. Yogita Bhayana, they're saying that it's not just a parenting problem. Then what are the authorities doing? Also questioning today's decision of granting bail. Harish, can you hear me? I was just speaking to activist Yogita Bhayana, who says it's not a parenting problem. What about the authorities? Okay, I think we've lost the line with Harish. We'll try and connect with him again. The update that we're getting in the Pune Porsche case is that 3 accused who were accused of tampering with the evidence, helping tamper with the evidence, have been granted by a bail by the Supreme Court. At the same time, there were strong observations that came in from the Supreme Court. Swapnil Kothari is joining us on the broadcast. Swapnil Kothari, thank you for giving us your time. How do you respond? What do you think about these observations coming in, placing responsibility with the parents? Swapnil, can you hear me? Okay, I think we may not have been able to establish a contact with Swapnil Kothari. We're trying to speak to him. Swapnil, if you can hear me, just go ahead. What are your views on the observations placing responsibility